Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm evertonrbraga from Kura Web Channel and welcome to another class of our React course. In this class, we're gonna learn about icons. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna install a dependency called React Icons by using yarn add or npm reinstall. I don't do this again because I already installed on my computer. Okay, so once we did it, let's access a website of React Icons, and here github.io, and that's the website of library. Here we have many kinds of libraries, icons from InDesign, Bootstrap, and Font Awesome, and another icon libraries. Okay, it's a library with so many kinds of icons, the main icons of the market. And for our project, we're gonna use two icons from Font Awesome. The first one is Jedi. This icon, by clicking here, let's import, pasting from React icons bar fa is Font Awesome. Okay, and let's import this icon here inside this tag fa Jedi, saving. Here we have an icon. Okay, let's put this icon inside a button tag, button Jedi, and I will write here history, saving. I have my icon now inside a button. Okay, and let's import another one. The other one is home world. Just a moment, please. Home world, no. Global Americas. Global, no man, sorry, it's globe Americas, globe Americas. Okay, font awesome, and putting here oops, no, copying, pasting. Okay, let's duplicate this in here. I will have, by pasting, for globe Americas, and here I will write home world. Let's see. In here we have two buttons, home world and history. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this lesson. If you like, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.